It's a day of great importance in our national history, as we are paying tribute to the martyrs of Pakistan. This is the day when the enemy dared to attack our country. And in response, our valiant armed forces and board peoples stood together and inflicted a humiliating defeat against the aggressor. I'm extremely proud that today we have amongst us the veterans of that war that the enemy wanted to perish. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been 50 years since the resistance of 1965. Over this period, Pakistan has seen many ups and downs. I can say with a full of conviction that today Pakistan is much more powerful and much more resolute than even before. This successful journey is only made possible due to the supreme sacrifices of this great nation and martyrs of this great nation. Ladies and gentlemen, let me reiterate that our armed forces stand fully capable to defeat all sorts of foreign invasion. If the enemy ever resorts to enemy's adventure, it will have to pay a cost beyond endurance. Sometimes, the leaders of the regime make threat. They try to attack us militarily. However, they know. If they don't know, they should know. If they do a damn thing, the Islamic Republic will raise them to ground. Ladies and gentlemen, let's not forget what our real strength is. Our real strength is our faith, and our shield is our firm belief. So, let us not forget what Allah states in Quran. Let us not forget the very words of this Holy Quran. وَلَيَنْصُرَنَّ اللَّهُ مَنْ يَنْصُرُهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَقَوِيٌّ عَزِيزٌ. Indeed, Allah will surely help those who help Him. Indeed, Allah is all-powerful, exalted in might. Thank you.